In the article, a twist in the nature versus nurture debate authors Sam Wang and Sandra Armot claim that we seek out environments which are compatible with our genes. The authors provide us with the evidences. For example, if you get the seeking out excitement genes, your risk of being mugged becomes high, and women whose identical twin suffered from depression were more likely to have that experience than people whose fraternal twin was depressed. And they said 1/4 of the variation in life event is heritable. Which unique points come from nature or nurture? Last week, I told that what makes me unique are my hobby and circle, reading horror books and BKT. I think they are due mostly to nurture, because nobody of my family like horror and adventure. Everyone dislikes scary story or inconvenient things. When I was a child, I often read adventure books in which many creatures appeared, for example, Harry Potter. Then, I started to long for thrilling adventure. I think the easiest adventure is to go to psychic spots, because maybe I'll encounter ghosts or experience exciting adventure if I go there. And I think perhaps I want to keep my balance. I've been studying science very much for a long time. At the same time, I've been reading horror books and scientific books, so I like horror. There are the reasons why I think my unique points come from nature. Thank you for listening.